Hi guys, so in this video I'm using cotton. It's in size 4 medium. And the crochet hook that I'm going to use for this video is in size 3.5 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and then I will chain 6, make a loose chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now on the last chain from the hook, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 for a 1, then right here through this 6 chain loop I'll make 12 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now to finish row 1, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now I'll chain 1, then right here through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 20, now through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 20, through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 20, through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet, chain 20, through this next single crochet chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. I'll chain 20, then through the next chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So we have 12 single crochets in the first row. Then the second row we'll make 12 20 chains with 1 chain in between. So see here for row 1 we have 12 single crochets, and then for row 2 we have 12 20 chains with 1 single crochet in between. So yeah, we just repeat this throughout row 2. So now that we are at the end of row 2, I chain 20, then right here through that same single crochet chain in the beginning of a row, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'm going to cut this yarn, so I will chain 1 and then cut it. Still going to use yarn in the same color. Actually, you know what? Let me try to use yarn in different color. I think that will be better. So I'm still going to use cotton, only in a different color. So now for row 3, right here through this first 12 chain loop I insert my hook, and I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 3. Then through that same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Now through the next 12 chain loop, I'll repeat the same thing. So right here through this next 12 chain loop, I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 20 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Through this next 20 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. I'll chain 2, then through the same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 3. We're making 3 double crochet in every 20 chain loop. We'll make 3 double crochet, chain 2, then through the same loop we'll make 3 double crochet. So yeah, we just repeat this throughout row 3. So now to finish row 3, right here through this third chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4, through these next 2 chains I'll make a slip stitch. Now right here through that 2 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Now through that same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So we have 4 double crochets in a sense. We have this 3 chain at the beginning of the row plus these next 3 double crochets. That gives us 4 double crochets in total. Now I'll chain 3. Right here through these 2 loops of this double crochet I'll make a slip stitch. Again I'll chain 3. Through those same 2 loops I'll make a slip stitch. Again I'll chain 3, then through the same 2 loops I'll make a slip stitch. Now through the same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. Now I'll chain 1, then right here through this loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 1. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. I'll chain 3. Through these top 2 loops of this last double crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Again I'll chain 3. Through that same loop I'll make 1 slip stitch, chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make a slip stitch. Now through that same loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Chain 1, then through this next loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 1. Through this next 2 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. I'll chain 3. Then through these last 2 loops here, these top 2 loops of this last double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 3, then through that same loop I'll make a slip stitch. Again I'll chain 3. through the same loop I'll make a slip stitch. Now through this same 2 chain loop I'll make 3 double crochet. Then I'll chain 1, then through this next loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So this is row 4, and so we repeat this throughout row 4, and this is our last row. So now to finish row 4 I will chain 1, then right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and I'll cut this yarn. So this is our last row. Now I'll just weave the ends in and we'll be done. If you want, since we are using cotton, you can use some starch and you can iron it. Generally when I make like small projects I use starch and push pins, and that stiffens it out without messing it out with the iron. Because honestly, using crochet thread, the iron can change the material you used. I actually like this one a lot. It's very easy to make, and it just looks very nice to me. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.